Welcome CMA students. Just 30 days to go for CMA exams. You all are eager, excited, anxious, stressed, so many things, mixed feelings. Confusion, anger obviously is there. Now, what is the way out? What should be done? And what is my honest opinion about all these things we are going to discuss now? Really, there is a lot of chaos regarding the way of exams, the way in which the online exam would be conducted, what type of options you will get, how will you be able to write it, and what are the things you will not get. So much of confusion. Now, in this, obviously, you will be stressed. The stress leading to decrease in efficiency, and really, here you are going to lose it. I don't want you to get into all these things. Obviously, because of the chaos, anger is there. But I will ask you a simple question. If you show anger, if you show your stress, if we write so many letters to the institute, if we ask to so many people who are at the central council members, do you feel that they will come up with complete clarity? Do you feel that they themselves have complete clarity that what they want to do? Do you feel that there is unanimity in the council in taking a decision? And if somebody asks me, I don't feel there is unanimity. I don't feel there is complete clarity in themselves. If they had, they are so skilled that they could have communicated to you the clarity what they have. They don't have, and it is practically impossible that they may have now also. So, expecting that they will come up with guidelines, expecting that they will give you some inputs, expecting that they will give you a complete framework is just a waste of time. Don't waste time on such things. Then you may ask me, sir, then what to do? And the answer comes here. Just focus on gaining knowledge. Just focus on preparing for exams. Ultimately, who will win the game? Suppose two Olympic players are there, they are running very fast, but one got a doubt for a split of a second and the other did not. Who will win? The person who did not get the doubt and moved fast without any break will win the game. And that's what I want you to do. You have to move fast without any doubt, without any split of second thought that what will happen, what will not. Whatever will happen for your good only. Either you will pass and get knowledge or you will have knowledge. That's the only thing which is going to happen. Come on, think about last time also January exams, there was lot of chaos, lot of uncertainty, lot of confusion. But when the results came, everybody was so delighted. Lot of results. So maybe this time also there is something hidden for us. Maybe more results are going to come. So be positive about it. Second thing, the uncertainty, whatever is there, it's not just for you, it's for everybody. So, who performs better amongst all this, amidst all these uncertainties, will be the winner in this game. So, now your focus should be how should I tackle the uncertainty to give the best in my examinations. That should be your focus, not just complaining about the uncertainties, because there is nobody to hear your complaints. So it is better to understand the limitations, understand the constraints, and do the best possible considering the limitations and the constraints. Third thing, never ever allow this chaos to decrease your efficiency. I want you to give your best. Ultimately, certificates are an entry to your success. Knowledge is the highway which will definitely take you to success. The entry will open today or tomorrow for sure. But you have to travel on the path to knowledge, and that will definitely give you laurels, success, money, fame, respect, dignity, whatever. So, I sincerely suggest you that don't waste time, concentrate hard. I'm there to help you. All teachers are helping you. Just focus on your preparation. That's it, nothing else. Chaos is useless for us today. Right? All the best. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care and stay healthy, stay safe,